In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find journals on Xero. First things first, let's navigate to the top bar of your Xero dashboard. Here, you'll notice a tab labeled Reporting. Give that a click, and you'll see a drop-down menu unfold before your eyes. It's the gateway to all your financial reports, a treasure trove of insightful data about your business activities. From this drop-down menu, you need to select All Reports. This option acts as a portal to every report Xero has to offer. Once you've clicked on All Reports, you'll be greeted with a list of every type of financial report you might need, from basic summaries to more granular details about your transactions. Now, our goal here is to find the journal report. The easiest way to do this is to use the search functionality. Type Journal Report into the search bar and watch as Xero swiftly filters through the options and presents you with exactly what you're looking for. Once you see the journal report appear, go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt Xero to run the report. After you initiate the report, there will be a short loading period. This is normal, as Xero is gathering all the necessary data from your account to provide you with a comprehensive list of journal entries. When the loading is complete, what you'll have in front of you is a detailed list of all your journal entries recorded in Xero. These are the transactions that you've inputted, offering a chronological and detailed overview of your accounting entries. This list is invaluable for tracking your financial movements, verifying the accuracy of your records, and ensuring compliance with your bookkeeping requirements. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed the journal entries in Xero with just a few simple clicks. This feature of Xero not only makes it easier to monitor your financial health, but also empowers you to make informed decisions backed by detailed data. Remember, the journal report will continue to update automatically as you input new entries, so you can rely on it for consistently accurate information. Thank you for following along with this guide on how to find journals on Xero. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful, empowering you to harness the full potential of Xero's reporting capabilities. If you found this video useful, feel free to check out other tutorials on similar topics to further elevate your financial management skills.